guys, if you're an affiliate marketer and you're failing repeatedly in your affiliate marketing business, then this is a must-watch video for you. Now, in this training tutorial series, I'm going to show you how to succeed in affiliate marketing using secret tracking tool. Now, this video, you have to watch this in conjunction with the video over here, which is how to succeed in affiliate marketing using solo ads. In that video, I show you how to build your affiliate marketing business step by step. Even as a complete beginner or you're a 60-year-old, you can understand and build your online business as I show you. Now, in this training tutorial series, I'm going to introduce you to a third-party tracking tool, which is called Opt-in Dojo, which will help you build your buyer's email list. Why do we need this buyer's email list? Because most of the beginners, almost 99% of the beginners out there trying to build their affiliate marketing business just fail because of this one thing, which is not building their buyer's email list. Now, you might have a question, why do we need this secret tracking tool called Opt-in Dojo? When it comes to affiliate marketing, it is important that you build your buyer's email list. Now, why do we need to build this buyer's email list? Now, remember, if you're sending your email broadcast to your subscribers and you get your sales, now the only thing that you get as an info from the product owner is that you have got a sale and what is the commission amount. That's all, nothing else. You won't get any information of the person who has got this product. In order to know who is the buyer who has exactly purchased this affiliate product from your own list, you need this third-party tracking tool called Opt-in Dojo. Now, to give you an example, imagine if you're having a subscriber list of 5,000 and you send an email blast to this entire subscribers, and the next day morning you get a sale and you might not know which is the person in your subscriber list who has got you the sale. Only the product vendor knows it. Even if you request for the email address of the person who has bought from your own list with the product vendor, he's not going to give it. So as an affiliate who is completely promoting other people's products, and I understand as a beginner, you don't have your own product. You're going to promote other people's products. So you definitely need this tracking tool called Opt-in Dojo, guys, because this will build your buyer's email list. And most of your sales, whether it might be a mid-ticket offer or a high-ticket offer of thousands of dollars, is going to come from this buyer's list, guys. Just remember it. It will come from this buyer's list only. That's why we need to build this buyer's email list. And that's exactly where this tracking tool called Opt-in Dojo is going to help you. Now, you might have seen all these flashy results on YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok, where they show how much they earned the last night, like thousands of dollars from their affiliate sale. Now, how do they get all these? These people are building their own buyer's list and sending their top offers to these buyers. That's how they're getting these many sales. And that's how they're getting thousands of dollars. Now, without further ado, let me show you in a holistic manner of how this affiliate marketing business works. And even if you're a complete beginner, please watch this. So if you don't remember the entire affiliate marketing system process flow, let me show you again. So the entire affiliate marketing system starts with the traffic, so which in this case is solo ads. Now, from the traffic, it goes straight to the squeeze page, and from the squeeze page, it goes directly to the bridge page, and this depends upon the offer. Now, from the squeeze page, the email list is collected using the email autoresponder. From the bridge page, it is directed to the affiliate offer page, which is the affiliate offer that you're going to promote. Now, this entire squeeze page and bridge page is going to be built using Leadpages. So Leadpages is the funnel building software, and it is going to be one of the most important components of this entire affiliate marketing system. And next will be the email autoresponder. Now, in this case, we are going to use Aweber and Getresponse as our email autoresponders, which will be used to send our email broadcast and email automation messages. So from the email autoresponder, you can send the same offer or you can send to a different offer. So once the subscribers buy your affiliate offers, then you build what is called as the buyer's email list. Buyers A, buyers B, buyers C. So this is the entire affiliate marketing system which I am talking about. Now, you might have a question. What is Opt-in Dojo, the tracking tool you're talking about, is going to be doing here? Exactly. Now let me show you what Opt-in Dojo is going to do in our affiliate marketing business. In this affiliate marketing business, you see the lead pages, which is the funnel builder, which is very important to build our landing pages. So from there, you have this email autoresponder, which we are going to use, which is Aweber or Getresponse. And finally, the affiliate marketplace, now which is going to be Warrior Plus or ClickBank or Explorely. Now, affiliate marketplace is the place where we are going to get the affiliate offers to promote to our email subscribers. So all these three components are going to make up our entire affiliate marketing business. So what does Opt-in Dojo do here? Now, Opt-in Dojo is going to be the central command system. It is going to be the control room where it is going to integrate with all these three different places. It is going to integrate between lead funnel building software. It is going to integrate between your email autoresponder, and it is going to integrate between your affiliate marketplaces. So in this entire training tutorial series, I'm going to show you how to integrate Opt-in Dojo, the tracking software, with all these three important components of your affiliate marketing business. Now, only integrating is the half part of it, and the balance half, which is going to be how to read the data, how to build a buyer's email list, is going to be another important and very essential component. So please watch this video in total to get real value out of it. So that's all for the first part of this training tutorial series. So in the upcoming parts of this entire training tutorial series, I'm going to explain you how to integrate how to do the technical setups of this Opt-in Dojo tool with all these three different components. And it's going to be interesting, guys. So please subscribe to my channel so that you get important updates, and at the same moment you get notifications whenever I upload my videos. Please understand, guys, whole affiliate marketing as a business, and any online business requires a top-down approach, and you need to understand this first part in a holistic manner so that it will be easy for you to understand all the technical aspects of funnel building software or email autoresponders or the affiliate marketplaces. So with that being said, let's meet in the next part of the training series. Until then, bye.